Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about cleaning and detoxifying the lungs, an important topic for our respiratory health. The lungs are one of the most important organs in the body, and keeping them clean and healthy is essential for our quality of life. In this video, we will present some of the best foods and drinks to detoxify and clean the lungs. So, let's start with green tea. Green tea is a beverage rich in antioxidants, which helps protect the lungs from cellular damage and reduce inflammation. It is also a relaxing and delicious drink that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Another food that helps clean the lungs is ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve circulation. In addition to being beneficial for the lungs, ginger is also excellent for the digestive system and cardiovascular health. Onions are also an excellent food for lung health. Onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory health. In addition, onions are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Garlic is another food that can help clean the lungs. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory airways. It is also known for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which can help fight infections and oxidative stress. Apples are another beneficial food for lung health. Apples are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory health. They are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which can also be beneficial for lung health. Nuts are another food rich in benefits for lung health. Nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory health. They are also an excellent source of plant-based protein and other essential nutrients. Turmeric is another natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory airways. It is also known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect the body from cellular damage. Carrots are another great option for lung health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory health. They are also an excellent source of fiber and other important nutrients. Lemon is another food rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help protect the lungs from cellular damage and reduce inflammation. In addition, lemon can also help detoxify the body and improve digestion, which can have a positive impact on respiratory health. Now let's talk about drinks for lung health. Water is an essential drink for lung health. Drinking enough water helps keep the airways clean and eliminates toxins from the body. Herbal tea can also be beneficial for lung health. Peppermint tea can help relieve congestion and cough, while thyme tea can help relieve inflammation and improve respiratory health. Finally, pineapple juice is another drink that can help clean the lungs. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs. Now that we know what foods and drinks can help clean and detoxify the lungs, it is important to remember that nutrition is only one part of respiratory health care. It is also important to avoid tobacco and other toxic chemicals, exercise regularly, and maintain good personal and environmental hygiene. Remember that good nutrition and healthy habits are key to maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next video.